My name is Andrew Wells, and I am a technical specialist here at Pointerra. In this video, I will demonstrate how to upload your first point cloud. When you first log into your account, you'll be presented with this home screen, where several public point clouds will be available for you to view and have a play around with. To upload your first point cloud, simply navigate to the top right corner where you can see the upload button. The first step is to upload your point cloud files. Here you can see a list of formats that we accept. You can then add files, folder, or you can import from an external storage location if you have set this up. If you do not have point cloud files and you wish to only upload non-point cloud spatial datasets, simply tick this button here. What I'll do now is I'll add my point cloud file. The next step is the coordinate reference system. Now, you can choose from a list of favorites if you have set this up in your company configuration. Choose the datum mode. We recommend leaving this turned on. We have access to the entire EPSG code database. So in this case, I can then choose my vertical datum, as well as choosing a separate vertical datum if you have access to that EPSG code. You also have the option to choose not georeferenced. You can also pick from recent uploads, and you can also choose to enter a custom coordinate system. This is for localized datums that are not in the EPSG code database. Step 3 is the metadata. You can input your project name. By default, this will choose the first name of the file that you upload. You can rename this to whatever you'd like. Choose your point cloud type, classification schemes, date acquired, description, and any additional copyright and metadata information. Note that this can all be updated after the point cloud has been built, so this is optional. In step 4, you can add non-point cloud spatial datasets. You can either attach or you can create new. And if you have access to analytics, you can also kick off analytics after the point cloud has been built. Types of spatial data that we support are GIS imagery, such as ECW, JPEG 2000s, and GeoTIFF. Digital elevation models in 32-bit elevation TIFF. External, such as WMS, TMS layers, ArcGIS layers. 3D models, either PhotoMesh or CAD models. Vector files, such as DXF, DWG, KML. Photo sets taken from, say, a drone or your digital camera. 360-degree photos, and videos as well. And finally, we also accept documents such as PDFs and Word docs. So if you have any additional metadata you'd like to upload, you can choose that. Next, we will choose the destination collection. You can create a new collection, or you can simply upload it to your home page. When you have chosen your destination collection, you then have the options to enable notifications as well as all collection managers. When you're ready, click Begin Upload. Dialog box will appear showing the progress of the upload, and once finished, it will then display the next page, which will be the jobs window. Here you can monitor the status as well as the build of the point cloud. So there you have it. Your first point cloud is currently rendering and will be available soon. If you have any questions, please reach out to support through the portal. Thank you very much.